Let's take a look at what we are to expect for the day on GBP USD. This video is brought to you by Invest Social. Invest Social is a community where analysts, traders, and also developers share their ideas, strategy, and updates. So you can be part of this community by visiting investsocial.com to learn more, connect with traders of like-minded people, and also share your own idea and even strategy if you want to. This was the prediction we did yesterday on GBPUSD and also day before yesterday. We did this prediction about day before yesterday and we continued the movement yesterday, which was bullish move. We were expecting gold and GBPUSD to give us that bullish move. So we eventually market did give us the movement we were expecting. So I think it was on the 4th. We were expecting market to close bullish for the day, which market did give us the bullish move. Yesterday, which was on Wednesday also, we were expecting market to also open and close bullish, which market did give us this bullish move. Now for this Thursday, we are to also expect the bullish move. So I personally, if you are in the buy, I would advise you to hold in on your buy position till market is able to clear this our high. So if you can go in for the buy and hold your buy position till market is able to clear the high, then fine, that will be a very good thing. But now let's drop down to our forward time frame right here. So this is a forward time frame. Market has given us a multiple rejection at this zone and market has now pushed up. This is also our pullback and we are to expect one more push up again. So I personally would advise you to also stick going for the buy. If you can go in for the buy and hold your buy position, that is going to be the best thing. But if you can't, well, it's up to you. But if you are already in the buy, still hold your buy position as market will still give us a movement upward. So if you find today's video very helpful, do not forget to visit the community, which is investsocial.com, to also share your own thoughts on what you think will likely play out.